Upgrading your windows can have a big impact on comfort, energy efficiency, and home value. But the cost of replacement windows can feel overwhelming. If you're a homeowner in Redmond looking to replace slider windows without paying more than necessary, the good news is you don't have to choose between affordability and quality. With the right approach, you can find high-performance slider window replacements that fit your budget and your home's needs. Start with clear goals before you begin shopping. It's important to know what you want to achieve with your slider window replacement. Are you focused on improving energy efficiency? Reducing noise? Enhancing curb appeal? Or simply fixing drafty, worn-out windows? Understanding your priorities helps you focus on the features that matter most and avoid paying for upgrades you don't need. Know what effects cost. Several factors influence the price of slider windows, including frame material. Vinyl is usually more affordable than wood or fiberglass. Glass options. Basic insulated glass is cheaper than advanced low-E or argon gas-filled options, though the latter can save money long-term. Window size. Larger windows cost more than standard sizes. Installation complexity. Straight replacements cost less than ones requiring structural changes. In Redmond homes, being aware of these cost drivers helps you make smart decisions without compromising quality. Choose the right window material. Vinyl slider windows are a popular budget-friendly option that still delivers good performance in many climates. They resist moisture, won't rot, and typically require less maintenance than wood frames. That said, today's vinyl designs still offer durability and style, making them an excellent choice for Redmond homeowners who want affordability without sacrificing quality. Look for energy-efficient options that save long-term. While advanced glass packages can increase upfront costs, they often pay off through lower energy bills. Look for Energy Star-rated slider windows with double-pane glass low-E coatings. Inert gas fills like argon in Redmond's climate. These features help keep indoor temperatures steady and reduce heating and cooling costs, helping your investment pay dividends over time. Compare multiple quotes. Getting several quotes from reputable window professionals in Redmond is one of the most effective ways to save money. Pricing can vary significantly based on supplier relationships, installer expertise, and included services. When reviewing quotes, check what's included: installation, removal of old windows, and cleanup. Ask about warranties. Better products and installation techniques often come with stronger coverage. Verify credentials. Look for licensed, insured professionals with good reviews. Comparing multiple offers helps you spot pricing outliers and ensures you're not overpaying. Time your purchase strategically. Window companies often run promotions during slower seasons or when new product lines arrive. Planning your replacement project around these sales can save you hundreds, or even more. In Redmond, scheduling your window replacement during late fall or winter may yield better pricing, as demand dips compared to peak spring and summer months. Take advantage of incentives. Federal, state, and manufacturer programs sometimes offer rebates or tax credits for energy-efficient home upgrades. Ask your installer if any current incentives apply to the slider windows you're considering. These incentives can lower your upfront cost while enhancing long-term energy savings. Don't cut corners on installation. It's tempting to save by choosing the lowest bid or attempting DIY replacements, but poor installation can negate savings by leading to drafts, water intrusion, or premature failure. Opt for professional installation from experienced experts. In Redmond, certified installers ensure windows perform as designed, maximizing durability and efficiency. Balance price with performance. True affordability isn't just about the lowest price, it's about value over time. A slightly higher quality slider window that lasts longer and performs better can cost less in the long run. When comparing options, think about energy savings, reduced maintenance, improved comfort, longer lifespan. In Redmond homes, this balanced perspective helps ensure your investment pays off. A smart approach to affordable slider window replacement. Affordable slider window replacement doesn't mean settling for inferior quality. By setting clear goals, choosing appropriate materials, comparing quotes, and working with trusted professionals, you can improve your home without overspending. For Redmond homeowners, a thoughtful approach ensures you get durable, efficient slider windows that boost comfort and value, without compromising on quality.